Today's video is going to be for those who are new to real estate investing. 3 golden rules to live by. Number 1, we all know it. Location, location, location. You want to make sure you buy properties in the area with good appreciation. You want to know what kind of schools are in the area. You want to know what kind of amenities are in the area. You want to know what kind of recreation you have in the area to make sure that the property value is constantly going up. Number 2, know what kind of investment you're making. Are you going to be a capital gain investor, or known as the fix and flip investor, or are you going to be a cash flow investor, which is like what my wife and I do? We make sure no matter what market conditions that we are in, we're always coming out in the positive. Number 3, never buy on emotion. Always buy on numbers. If it don't make sense, don't do it. If the math is not mathing, leave it alone. Whenever you're evaluating to make sure that the deal makes sense, you got to take in consideration the rent that you're going to charge. So if you do have a mortgage, you want to make sure that you're able to cover that, the cost of insurance, any unexpected maintenance, and if you decide to hire a property manager. So no matter what, let the numbers make the decision, not you. Think numbers.